I'm going to show you a simplest way on how to create a UK international account, and this has to be the best and simple way on how to have an international account. You can create UK, US, any other countries. Okay, so what you are going to do is to log into your TikTok account. You don't need a VPN. Click on your profile and it will bring add an account. Click on that and click on continue with Gmail. Always create a new Gmail account to use while opening your international account. So we are going to scroll down and we'll click on my newly created Gmail account. It will bring continue and you are going to go ahead and press on that, press on continue, and it will load. And as it's loading, you are going to see that by continue with an account located in Uganda. So you don't have to use Uganda. We are going to click on that and change the location using the location in the United Kingdom. If you are in Ghana, if you are in Nigeria, if you are in Kenya, any country that does not have the creativity beta program and you really want to get paid by TikTok, change the location to United Kingdom, to United States, but I think UK is the best location for you to use, so it does not ask for tax whatever. Okay, so click on that and click continue. As it's loading, it will take a little bit of some time. As it's loading, it will take you back to your newly created account and still choose the same Gmail account you chose. Okay, do not change or do not do what, choose the newly created account you had chose the first time. So we're going to click on that and it will process. Yes, this is how you are going to create an international account without spending a dime, because I feel so many people are yearning to know how to create one. And yes, here it is. TikTok wants to access your Google account. Scroll down and click allow. Click on that allow and it will continue. Here you don't need a VPN, you don't need anything. And as far as it's concerned, VPNs are quite expensive for iPhone users like me. You always need to pay for your VPN. So it will bring continue and it will ask for your date of birth, for your year of birth, and for your month of birth. So we are going to go ahead and click on that, set that up quickly and process. Now after that, it will ask you to create your unique name, the name that you are going to be using on your TikTok account. Click fan up and please go ahead and click confirm. Here we are. This is your new TikTok international account, so you can always go ahead and upload content that is preferable and is good for the creativity reward program. Yes, as you click there on creator tools, it's going to bring creator rewards program, video gifts, subscription, and we don't have this in Africa. We do not have this on our local TikTok accounts. Yes, so if you want to get paid, if you want to start making some money, use this account. Create an international account immediately so that you don't waste your content, you don't waste your time. It's free and it can be created within 2 minutes. Yes, so you can see I have everything, and you can set up the subscription. It has create marketplace. It has lots and lots. TikTok international account can be created from France, UK. You can use all those countries, and United States of America. I think even Philippines. I don't know about that, but I know only 3 countries. Yes, so when we go to this side, it has chat with your countries, and as you can see, my For You page has content that is from the UK.
The 30 worst places to The 30 worst places.
Claims to what?